Hello everybody and welcome to Tina's Corner Library. Today we're going to talk about the states of matter, and then we're going to do a really cool science experiment that you can do at home. First, let's talk about the states of matter. You have three well-known states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Now solids have a definite shape and size. The molecules inside of them are so packed together that they can barely move. It's kind of like when you're cold outside and you're just shivering. Those are the molecules in a solid, and you get a nice definite shape and size like a table or my hat. A liquid has a definite size but not a definite shape. You can put in a container like this, definite size, but there's no real shape to it. It kind of conforms to whatever container it is in. And the molecules inside of a liquid are moving a little bit faster. Kind of like you're doing the wave, kind of like that movement. Okay, they're just sloshing side to side. And then you have gas. Now gas is kind of like drinking 5 shots of energy shots or 15 cups of coffee. You have a lot of energy, molecules are going really, really fast, and there's no really definite size or definite shape. We have gas inside this room right here. It's air. It fills up the entire room. There's no really combined shape or size to it. But can you have other states of matter? Yes, you can. And today we're going to talk about non-Newtonian fluids. Non-Newtonian fluids are not really fluids because they don't act like fluids all the time. They sometimes act like a solid. When you put pressure on a non-Newtonian fluid, it turns into a shape. Has a definite shape and size. Is a property of a solid. But if you reduce that pressure on that non-Newtonian fluid, it kind of dribbles out of your hand like a liquid. So we're going to make that. And what we call it, this type of non-Newtonian fluid that we're making, we call it Oobleck, which surprisingly is named after a Dr. Seuss book, Bartholomew and the Oobleck. So that's where we get the name Oobleck. And it's just really fun to say. It's so Dr. Seuss to say, Oobleck. Alright, so you only need 2 ingredients for the science experiment. When you have these 2 ingredients in your house, you can make Oobleck. I really just like saying Oobleck. To start off with, you need water. You need about half a cup of water. Then you need cornstarch. You need about 3/4 cornstarch. You're going to put a little bit of cornstarch in your water. You can use a spoon to scoop it out. I'm just going to use my hand to mix it around. But you need to do it slowly so you don't get too much cornstarch in your water. Okay, it's starting to feel like Oobleck. And I'm like, Tina, how can we tell if it's Oobleck or non-Newtonian fluid? Well, you put the cornstarch into your water, and you can scoop it out and turn it into a ball with the pressure from your hand. Turn it to a solid pretty much. And when you release that and it starts dribbling out of your hand like a liquid, that's Oobleck. If you put too much cornstarch into your water, you can add a little bit more water to it. And if you need more cornstarch, you can add a little bit more cornstarch to it. Oh, it's getting there. See how I'm pressing it together and shaping it into a ball. However, if I release the pressure, it starts to dribble out of my hand. And it's so much fun to play with. Now, if you want to get really crazy, this is the time you put in a few drops of food coloring and change this from a gooply white substance to maybe a gooply blue substance. So that's been a segment of Tina's Corner Library where we made Oobleck. It's just fun to say Oobleck. Till then, see you next time.